another video. So today, me and Dimas, well, possibly me only, I will be making a hangout for my two birds. So basically, I will make it on the ground. So yeah, let's get into it. So these are the two birds. Hello, birds. Right over there. And we will be making a hangout for this. So first of all, we're gonna need let's go try to find some sort of this thingy. Yeah, we're just gonna need this. Gonna make it in here. So it's gonna be like this. The hangout will be this size. Then we're gonna need some more stuff here. Dimas has a lot of toys. So we're just gonna use this Barbie thing and this hand. This thing. So let's put this here. I guess we're just gonna adjust it a bit, probably this size. Like this. So now, Dimas, I'm gonna make the bird hang out in here, okay?
Okay.
Turn on the lights. And we're just gonna add the food, drinks, and then probably a small bath for the birds. But I think we need a small towel. So hold on, okay, Bussies? Right here, we don't have a towel. Okay, that's wonderful. Let's check in here. There might be some small towels. This one is good. We can use this one. We can make it like this. In case the birds make a big mess. So let's go and organize these stuff first. Make it like this. Hang out for the birds. Burps. So anyways, let's go get the food first. You're not gonna go out yet, okay, birds? Let's get this. It has a weasel feather. I'm gonna put this here. And of course their drink. So the birds don't really know how to bathe themselves. So yeah. Here, we're just also gonna put that in there. Now we're just gonna get a small bowl for them to bathe in. Probably something like this. Or should we just, we can just use our own cup. Right over there. Let's make a small bathing place for the birds. Now we gotta clean this one, okay? So there's poo in here. Okay. We're just gonna dry it up. Dry it up. Okay. Hold on. Now we're just gonna get some water. So let's just see, is this cold? Oh yeah, it is cold. So we'll try to find an aqua, Probably this. I'm just gonna open it first. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. for that long wait, but we're back with the water. Ooh. Okay, so we're just gonna fill it up for the birds. Turn that. There. This is their bath. Hold on, okay, little birds. There's Samsa's leg. And this is where they're gonna bath. So I'm gonna have to put this here and put this in here. Because we cannot get this wet. And there's like chargers in there. Here there's nothing that we cannot make wet. So yeah, let's go get the birds. Okay. Hello, little birds. You can see a tail over there. It's Minty's tail. Who wants to go out first? I made a special hangout for you. Okay, we're just gonna try to get the birds. Come here, Weasel. Weasel? Weasel usually wants to go out first. See? Weasel's coming down. There's Weasel. Weasel up. We got Weasel over here. We're gonna put Weasel first. Hello, wee drapes. Hello, baby wee drapes. Here is a little hangout I made for you. Aww. Come, you want some scratchies? Come on. Oh. So we're just gonna move this away because I think the pencil case is over. We don't really need anything here. No, wee joints! You're going off limits. Wee joints! Go there, okay? Now I'm gonna get these will be hard, so you're just gonna look at wee joints. Okay, so I got baby Minty. There you go there. This is your hangout. How do you like that? Sorry, my camera is really bad. No? We guy? They look so confused. Here, let's open this. No, Minty, it's not gonna harm you. Why are you there? I made this for you and then you went away. Here, let's put V-Joy. You in a bath? Here, you can go bath. You in a bath? V-Joy's probably just gonna drink it. Because they don't know how to bath. Hello, chubby bird. Good Minty. Oh, it turned poofy. You gonna turn poofy? You gonna turn poofy? Okay, something they really love is popcorn, but I don't have popcorn right now. Minty went to Dimas. Go down, Minty. Good. And I don't even know if Minty and V-Joy are girls. Okay, I need milk. Oh, V-Joy, no. Like boy or girl. You too, Minty. Are you a girl or a boy? I don't know your gender. Okay, so V-Joy's eating, of course. You know how much V-Joy loves to eat. There is a good view of the birds. V-Joy just turned fat. We judge. I pretty much prepared the bathe, like the bathing place for nothing, because I don't think they know how to bathe. Do you want to know how to bathe? Come. Boop. And you guys didn't know Bluebell just died. And Minty, this is not your place. Here, can you bathe? Or do you not know how to bathe? Here. I don't think Minty wants to bathe. Yes, look. Diwas. Oh, they tweeted at the same time.
Little beach.
It likes scratchies. Joy really loves scratchies.
Love scratches? How about Minty? What does Minty like?
I don't even know. Okay, just make sure they don't see because they might get scared. There you go. Let's go give like some food and then let's drop it here. Will they eat it? Joy, look. Let's make a trail of food. And then make it go here. What if the Joy fed her? Are you gonna move forward or what? Here, look. You want some food? How about you? It's sliding down on Minty. Here, let's go put this in my hand. Do you want it? Okay, so Minty's pretty much just washing Minty's leg. Aww. Baby Bussy.
Baby boss.
You're so cute. Oh, I love you, Minty. Here, okay, let's go give Weejoy a chance. Do you want some? Oh no. Come here. Want some foodie? You want some? You're full? Okay, what happens if I put it in my right hand? Okay, here, Weejoy. Move this way. No, you're not supposed to go. Down, down. Want some? So I don't think Weejoy wants some. Oh, Minty wants from the bowl. Not from my hand. Eat? No, it's in here. No, not there. Here. I don't think they want to eat right now. Weejoy, why are you... This is Baby Weejoy. And there's Minty in the back there. Kiss everyone. Mwah. Oh, mwah. Oh, mwah.
Kaka.
What?
Music.
Down, Weejoy. Roblox. There you go. Can you bathe now? Oh my god. Will's convinced them to bathe. It's like a bath bomb for birdies. I want to kiss you. Minty just turned flat. And this is not Weejoy's. This is not the place where Weejoy's supposed to be. Oh. Oh. Weejoy stepped on the food. Go, little rock. Oh. Okay, Weejoy, do you want to do a trick? And then I'm going to give you some food. Want this? Does this make me sure he wants it or not? Come. Some scratchies, of course. Yes, he wants scratchies. Oh, you're so cute. Mindy took the spotlight. Aw, he did your movie! Minty is still taking the spotlight over, but Weejoy is now there. No longer just Minty. They bent their heads at the same time. This is a really cute burp vlog, so like you can see me doing camera. Minty was looking at the camera.
Lari E. Lari E.
Yeah, the camera is always like. Meteor didn't fall. I don't know what Weejoy's doing. I think Weejoy spilled some food and then Weejoy just trying to eat it. It fell. Oh, okay. Okay. How about you? Aw, you. Okay, what if I put my hand here? Oh, okay. Okay. Do you want to bathe or something? I put this babe here for like no reason. Come on. No. Here, babe. We just stuck on the food here with the feather. Wait, I have an idea. We can like put this here and then we're gonna grab all the food using the feather. Is that gonna work? No, it's not gonna work. Want this? There's food on it. How about you? They don't really want anything right now. I put a feather behind foil. There's another feather, you know? Weasel has a hat! You wanna see Weasel's hat?
I will. Sailor Joy.
Weasel now has a hat. How about we give this one to Minty? Minty doesn't like hats. How about one on your back? Yes, one on your back is okay. No, Mindy, your hat. Well, not really hat. There you go. So the birds aren't really doing much. But yeah, I think that's all for the video. Because they're not really doing much. They're just like really sleepy tiny burbs. Look at the tiny burbs. Look. No? Okay, no tiny burbs.
Tiny burb.
Yeah. That's all. Bye!